Chicken curd roast. Chicken curd roast is a delicious roast which goes very well with any roti or rice. Here are the ingredients. First of all, ingredients to marinate. First, chicken cubed small 500 grams, turmeric powder half teaspoon, Kashmiri chili powder 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, oil for frying. Here are some of the other ingredients. Onion 1 big, garlic chopped 1 tablespoon, ginger chopped 1 tablespoon, green chili chopped 1 small tomato, 1 cup curd, curry leaves 2 strings, Kashmiri chili powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala 1/4 teaspoon, salt as per taste, and a few coriander leaves. Now let's start with the preparation. First of all, marinate the chicken pieces with the ingredients under marination for 30 minutes. Now heat the oil in a pan and fry the chicken pieces on medium-high heat. Fry until it gets cooked and turns brown in color. Take the chicken pieces into a serving dish and keep aside. In the remaining oil, add chopped ginger, garlic and green chili. Saute until the raw smell goes off and gets a nice aroma of ginger and garlic. Add curry leaves and chopped onion. Saute for a minute and add all the powders one by one and mix well. Now add chopped tomato and saute until it's mashed well. Now add curd in it and saute until the curd completely dries with the gravy, at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now add the fried chicken pieces in it and mix well for another 5 minutes and switch off the flame. Now sprinkle coriander leaves and serve it hot.